With this method, you'll be able to find the words, the vocabulary that you don't know, the words that you don't know, and you'll be spontaneously able to find new words. Hi everyone, how are you all? Well, I hope that you all are doing really great. Well, everyone is welcome here to learn English, and today we are going to discuss a very important thing, that is vocabulary, right? You all need vocabulary, we all need vocabulary to speak a language. So, learning vocabulary is very important. But how to do that? How to learn vocabulary? And that is in a very spontaneous and practical manner. So, taking a dictionary and then, picking words out of a dictionary, learning their meanings. It is a traditional method through which you can obviously learn some words, but if we want to be really fluent and if we want to be really spontaneous with our English language, with our English speaking, we need to upgrade our vocabulary in such a way that is practical and that is related to real life situations. So, if you learn vocabulary from real life situations, from real life object, from your surroundings, that is really beneficial for you. So, in the long run, you're able to remember those words, you're able to retain your vocabulary for a much longer time. So, are you excited to know how to update your vocabulary or how to improve your vocabulary? Well, that is a very common question among all the English learners. They're actually worried about learning vocabulary, and this is a concern with a lot of English learners. So, today we are going to address this concern, and I'm going to tell you a method which is going to help you a lot in learning vocabulary without even spending extra or much more time. You probably need to spend only 5 minutes at the end of the day, and this activity is going to help you a lot. So, have you ever heard about treasure hunt? Well, we must have played treasure hunt at some point in our lives, or we must have watched a movie where someone is searching for treasure. So, treasure hunt. And today, what we are going to do with this vocabulary activity is similar to treasure hunt. Not exactly like treasure hunt, but I like to call this vocabulary hunt. So you have to spontaneously go out and look for the words that you don't know. You need to look for the words whose meaning you don't know in English. Now, how to do that? That's very simple. It's going to be a part of your daily routine. Whatever you do in a day, it's going to be a part of that. So, this is not something that you're going to do separately, but you're going to do this along with whatever you do in your day. Now, how to get started on this? So, first of all, when you go outside, just have a look around yourself. Pick out the vocabulary words from your surroundings. So, for example, you saw a skyscraper, you know the meaning. Excellent. You say, oh, I know this meaning, that's it. Leave it out. Now, you see something else, but you don't know what it's called. For example, there's zebra crossing, but you don't know it's called a zebra crossing, right? And you want to learn what it's called. Do a simple thing, quickly take out your phone and type it out. Make a self learning group on WhatsApp where only you are present in the group. You can make a self group on WhatsApp, or you can make a Word document, or you can make a document in the Keep Notes app. So there are a lot of apps which helps you keep notes, or you can write it anywhere in your phone. Your smartphone is a really good method of writing things down. So you can write that down in your smartphone. You can type it out and save it. Or you can keep a notepad with you and you can write those words in that notepad. Keep a small notepad dedicated just for your vocabulary, right? Just for your vocabulary. And write those words